Hello friends, I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to record your mobile screen with the face cam. Most of the YouTubers are struggling to record their mobile screen with the face cam. If you are struggling to do this simple process, please continue to watch this video till end of this video so you can get one beautiful information from this video. I request you who are all watching this video, please spend at least 3 to 4 minutes to watch this video so you will learn some informations from this video friends. So let's get started without wasting your time. Now what you should do is you can open your Play Store. I'm searching my Play Store where it is located on my mobile, and yes, finally I found the Play Store app on my mobile. Now you can type on the search box of your Play Store screen recorder iPhone screen record with facecam and audio. Just install this app on your mobile, whether it may be Android or iOS or iPhone, etc. Whatever it may be, just install this app on our mobile. I spend a lot of time to search the beautiful screen recorder with the facecam app for me to record a screen on my mobile. I thought why I should not uh, give these tips to my subscribers. Yes, I want to give this simple tips to my subscribers. So that's why I made this app, these video friends. Uh, Before going to see how it is working, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications in the future. Okay, after installing this app on your mobile, just go to your app that you have installed right now. Just to open this app, yes, you can see on the screen, just I'm opening the app, screen recorder HD. You can see the interface of that app. If you do any screen recorder earlier, whether it may be face cam with the screen recorder or very only screen recorder, you can see all the files here. You can see I have done one screen recording process before 5 minutes. That file has been displaying here. After opening this app, you can get the small icon on your mobile, right hand side of on your mobile. Just click this icon. You can see here four options. One is arrow and red color circle. One is a photo and another one is ink mark. If you want to record your screen, just click this icon here, screen record HD. You want to record your screen. If you want to record on your mobile screen, just allow to record. Okay, otherwise skip or cancel. Now I'm canceling this process because I'm recording the screen with another app. If I allow to record this app, the current process may interrupt, so that I skipped and I canceled the screen recording process. Okay, if you want to do the screen recorder with the face cam, press the both red color circle and down on is a photo. Just click this option. Yes, if you click that options, the front camera will be on to record the front or face. If you want to show your face, just you can talk whatever you want. Okay, now I cancel this process. I hope you have learned how to do the screen recorder with a face cam through this video friends. If you want to learn the beautiful and interesting and technology related videos in the future, just you can follow me in the YouTube. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. Until then, bye.